Hey, welcome back everyone. It's Miss Envy here. Let's use this new tool, FACESWAPPER. Super easy, super fast. There are two different versions. I prefer to use the older version. I prefer the user interface. I find it's more user friendly. So just switching back to the older version here, there's an option on their website. So basically you just go to add image, go to your library, add the image you want. So we add two images here. The image on the right side will be swapped to the image on the left side of the screen. And there we go. Did you guys catch that? Then you can simply download it to your computer. Let's try that again with another image. I really actually like how this one turned out. So it's processing. And there we go. Swap success. So as you can see, I have 3 credits left. They give you 10 free credits daily on the free plan. I believe it takes about 2 credits to download each image once you've swapped the face. And I'm also gonna do one more. And it's very interesting how this one turned out because you can see the image on the right has blue eyes and the image on the left, you can't really see the eyes because of the cool gold glasses. Okay, so check this out. Taking a little minute to process it. 3 credits left. All right. Isn't that amazing? I love how the blue eyes came through the glassware. The lips are different. The face shape is different. I really like how this image turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely downloading that one. So I have 2 credits left. Okay, I'm just gonna go through some of the plans. This is their homepage, pretty cool. So the free plans, you get 10 credits per day, no subscription, just gotta sign up with your email. It's a little thing about how it works. It's artificial intelligence, uses algorithms. You can use it on your iPhone. There's different apps, Reface and Face app. And you can also use this tool for free. And there's obviously different versions, premium, that provide you with more tools, but I really enjoy the free tool. If you'd like to book any of my services, guys, there is a QR code you can scan, and there's also the link for my website in the description. I appreciate you. Like, subscribe, and chat. Thank you kindly. Be safe. Keep creating.